Hello friends, earlier we have solved two linear equations graphically. Now we will solve two equations algebraically. What are different methods of algebraic solution of two linear equations? The first one is substitution method. Very simple, very easy method. Anybody can do this. See, if two equations are like that, x plus 2y equal to 3 and another equation is x minus y equal to 1. We need to solve the equations. Substitution method says you just get value of one variable in the term of another variable from any of the equation. Suppose I am picking up this and I am taking x is equal to 1 plus y, the value of x in the terms of y. Or I can also write y is equal to x minus 1, value of y in the terms of x. Pick from one equation, put it in the another equation, simplest method. So if I just put this thing in the another equation, because I got the value from this equation, this will be x as it is. For y I need to write that thing, 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. So 3x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 by 3. Once we get the value of x, we can get the value of y very easily here. So y is equal to x minus 1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1. This is 5 minus 3 by 3. What is that? 2 by 3. So we got the value of y, we got the value of x. Very simple method, substitution. Anywhere you can apply. What is the key thing? Get the value of one variable from one equation. Put the value of that variable in the second equation, and second equation will now contain only one variable that you can easily solve and get. Now we will go for elimination method. See, equation is like that, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and this is 3x plus 2y equal to 9. I need to solve these two equations. Substitution method, if we apply, we will get the value of one variable in the terms of another from an equation, put it in another, and we can get the solution easily. Now we are going for elimination method. Elimination means one variable to be eliminated. Very easy. How this can be eliminated? If they are exactly equal. How can we make exactly equal? If this is, suppose I want to cancel it out x, so I have to make the coefficients of x equal. Here it is 2, here it is 3. If I just multiply this by 3, it will be, if I just multiply this thing by 3 and this thing by 2, the new format will be 6x plus 9y is equal to 18. Very simple. You just multiply the coefficient of x of one equation to another equation and of another equation to the first equation. Very simple. Multiplying with 3 is giving you 6x plus 4y is equal to 18. Now you solve. Just draw the line. And how this 6x will cancel out with 6x? By subtraction action, by minusing. If they are of opposite sign, we will just add up. Opposite sign will automatically cancel out. But if we are subtracting, if we are just going for subtraction option, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. The signs are changing. Plus is becoming minus, minus is becoming plus, like that. Here the sign was plus. If nothing is mentioned, what's the sign? You know it. It is plus. So minus. Now you see, this is plus 6x, this is minus 6x, cancelled out. So subtraction of y is giving you 5y is equal to, luckily it is cancelling out here as well. So it is 0. So y is equal to what? 0 by 5. Do you know what is that? 0. If I say 5 by 0, what's that? Can you tell me? It is nothing, that is infinity, not defined. So you got the value of y, you can get the value of x very easily by putting the value of y in any of the given equations. If I just put it here, that is 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. So x is coming out to be 6 by 2, that is 3. So what is the solution of given equation? That is actually 3, 0. X is 3, y is 0. So by elimination method, easily you can get the solution of the two equations. Now we will see cross multiplication method. How to solve with cross multiplication method. Just write the equation. If the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, another is 4x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. How to solve? The technique I am giving you by means of real example. If we just remember in the terms of a1, b1, c1, little bit difficult to remember. So I am giving you the easiest way. You just need to write variables x, y, and no variable is there, so 1. Understanding this? Put it equal to. Very simple. Now you have to write something below x. What is the thing? You just hide x and see the coefficients of the leftover variables. Here 3 into 8 minus this into that minus this into that. In between minus is there, very important. Be careful and use the brackets. I recommend you all the time. Brackets are always beneficial. So it is coming out to be minus 5 into minus 3. So clear? You are just writing below x. So you have to start with next thing from y coefficient. This into this, easy way of remembering, minus this into this. So if you need to write below y, so you have to start with next thing. What is that? This thing. Be careful. For x, we started from here. For y, we have to start from here. And always take a number along with its sign. Okay, so it is minus, be careful of that. So we have to start from here. So this will be y I have to hide. This will be multiplied to this. So minus 5 into 4. In between we need to write minus. And the next thing is what? Y. We have started from here. Next thing will be here. 2 into 8. Yes. I multiply this with this and then this with this. Now I need to write 1, and 1 means we are just hiding this thing, and after that is, what is the cyclic order? X again. So 2 into minus 3 minus 3 into 4. So on solving, it is giving us x divided by 24 minus, this is 15, is equal to y divided by minus 20 minus 16 is equal to 1 divided by minus 6 minus 12. So what is x? X is equal to 24 minus 15, that is 9. I am just taking here, this to here, divided by minus 18, and y is coming out to be minus 36 divided by here minus 18. Yes. So we can easily get the solution of the given equations by cross multiplication method. Once again I am telling you, just take the coefficients like this: a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, and after c, what's that? Again a1, a2, like that, cyclic order. For x, if we are talking about x, what we have to write? For x, we will take care of this minus this. For y, we are just getting rid of this and we are writing this into this minus this into this. And for 1, what we need to write? This is again B1, B2, this into this minus this into this for X, for Y, for 1. If you are not understanding this, you can follow this technique. But I told you, if you just follow, you need not have to remember. Now we will see how to solve the practical problems of life with the help of linear equations. What we need to do? We have to convert the problems in the form of equations and then we can solve it. So just pay emphasis on correct translation of the thing. Just one example I am taking. If it is given that 2-digit number is such that sum of digits is 9, like that, just how to make the translation. Always take the 2-digit number, you know, this is in the form of 10x plus y. How it is coming? Do you know? Suppose 2-digit number is 21. How we write? 2, 1 are digits, but 21 is a number. Be careful what is digit and what is number. X and y are digits. It is digit at unit place and this is digit at tens place. So if I apply this formula, digit at unit place, that is 1, plus 10 into digit at tens place, that is 2. So coming out to be 21. That is the simplest explanation. How we take the numbers as 10x plus y. So 2-digit number is always to be taken 10x plus y, where y is digit at unit place and x is digit at tens place. Suppose it given that 2-digit number is in such a way that sum of the digits is 9, and if we reverse the digits, the new number is 5 more than the original number. What's the meaning of that? You just understand what they are telling. We have to translate accordingly. If the digits are reversed, the new number will be 10y plus x. Is 6 more than original number? Is means equal to 6 more than, so plus the more than what? Original number. What is original number? 10x plus y. So we are getting another equation. Equation 1, equation 2. We will solve and get the value of x and y, the digits value, and we can get the original number easily. Now is problem. Is of A is x and B is y. Sum of the ages of x and y is 20. Suppose it is given. So one equation we are getting. 10 years later, x will be twice the age of y. So what is the important thing? 10 years later. Firstly we will write 10 years later. After 10 years, age of A will be, A is x plus 10 and B is y plus 10. Age of A is increasing, then that of B is also increasing. He is becoming older as well. So if it is given that age of A, that is x plus 10, is 2 times the age of B, 2 times the age of B, you are getting another equation. One equation here, another equation here. You can solve very easily. Age related problems, I recommend you just write the simple thing. If they are saying 10 years later, you just go in this way. If they are saying 5 years ago, you just write x minus 5, y minus 5, both things to be subtracted. Now sometimes the problems of distance, speed and time is given. So basic thing you remember that distance is equal to speed into time. That is the basic thing you need to remember. One question I am taking you. A boat is going upstream 3 kilometers and coming downstream 5 kilometers in 10 hours. So firstly we should know what is the upstream speed. If the speed of the boat, let speed of boat x and speed of stream means water, is y. Upstream means water is opposing the man. So in that case, upstream speed will be x minus y, and you know downstream speed is equal to x plus y. Just whatever is given, we have to understand upstream speed and what relation we have to apply. Distance equal to speed into time. If it is giving that the boat is going 3 kilometers upstream, that means time taken will be distance by speed. Distance is 3, speed is x minus y upstream, plus coming 4 kilometers downstream. 4 is distance and speed is x plus y, and total time, this is time. Why? Distance by speed, so total time, if it is 10 hours, just write, form the another equation same way, whatever conditions are given, and once you are getting two equations in two variables, you can easily solve. Suppose such types of problem being given, you need to solve them. Easier method you can follow. Suppose another equation is 4 by x minus y plus 8 by x plus y is equal to 15. We need to solve such type of equation. We have to make it easier first. How can, if I just take 1 by x minus y as u, then the equation will be 3u, and this is 1 by x plus y is equal to v, so this will be 4v is equal to 10. Same way another equation will be 4u plus 8v is equal to 15. We can solve two equations and get the value of u and v. Once we get the value of u and v, we can get the value of 1 x minus y and x plus y and solve them and get the value of x and y. So wherever in such type is given, you just try to reduce it in the standard format, ax plus by is equal to c format. This way you made a substitution, 1 by x minus y as u, 1 by x plus y as v, and made the equation simple. Now you can solve it by elimination method, by substitution method, any method you like, and you can get the value of x and y correspondingly. Hope you are understanding and enjoying as well. Thank you.